Also, following some breaking news out of Jefferson County, where another wildfire sparked today, and we've just learned authorities have just shut down part of Highway 6.
Authorities now calling that fire the Gultra fire. It's burned 10 acres at least so far. Sky Fox showing the flames burning above Highway 6 and Lookout Mountain. Fox 31's Gabby Easterwood is live in Jefferson County with that brand new information. Gabby.
Yeah, Erica, Jeremy, the reason for them closing part of 6 is the increased activity they've seen in this fire. You can see that the wind has picked up at this hour as well. You can see the flames, they're still going strong as well. Now, they tell us that the area where 6th is shut down is just above Tunnel 1. Now, that's at 58 Junction to Highway 119. They also tell us that they are pulling the firefighters off the immediate front lines there, again, because of that increased activity. Now, there was a bit of wind earlier tonight, and you can see that it has picked up as well, and that has helped with the spreading throughout the evening. Thankfully, though, there hasn't been any damages to structures, and officials do tell us that there aren't any nearby even at this hour with this fire spreading. Now, we did get a chance to speak with one employee here at Buffalo Bills Museum and Grave, which is where we are, just at that lookout point, and she tells us that she was actually the one who called in the fire initially.
One of my customers came in and told me that it started and that we should call somebody, so I came out and looked and immediately thought to call someone because it was definitely smoke. It's kind of scary because it's definitely close to home for all of us up here that work here and stuff, so it's only a mountain away.
Now, there are numerous agencies that are here responding. We've been speaking with Foothills Fire tonight. There's Golden Gate Fire, Golden Fire, Arvada Fire, West Metro Fire, and a number of other agencies that are assisting with this fire. Now, we are told that it is still sitting at about 10 acres because they have been able to get some containment underway as the fire increases, but they say overall they are still sitting at about 0% containment. But they do tell us that they're going to be on scene all evening, and they tell us that potentially lightning could be the cause, but they're still working to make sure that that is the official cause of this fire tonight. We'll continue to keep you guys updated online. Live in Jefferson County, Gabby Easterwood, Fox 31.